sp2 hybridization. So sp2 hybridization means intermixing of equal energy level of one s orbital and two p orbitals are combined to give three sp2 hybrid orbitals is called sp2 hybridization. So it is orbitals. Okay. Here S character is 33.34% and P character is 66.66%. Okay. Next, here one s orbital and two p orbitals means three atomic orbitals are involving. So we give three hybrid orbitals and each hybrid orbital having one electron. Okay. So example of sp2 hybridization, boron trichloride. So in boron trichloride, central atom is boron. Atomic number of boron is 5. It will be undergoes 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 1 electron configuration. Okay. So it is ground state electron configuration. Ground state in first excited state. So this electron transfer to here and 1s1, 2s1, 2p2. So here intermixing of 1s orbital and 2p orbitals are combined to give sp2 hybridization. Okay. So how many hybrid orbitals are there? 3 hybrid orbitals. Okay. So 3 hybrid orbitals are having 3 electrons. Okay. So boron first excited state lo 1s orbital and 2p orbitals combined ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి sp2 hybridization form అవుతుంది. 3 hybrid orbitals will be given. Okay. And these 3 hybrid orbitals are overlap with the pz electron of chlorine atom. So any chlorine ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ 3 chlorine atoms. So 3 chlorine atoms లోని pz electron ఈ హైబ్రిడ్ ఆర్బిటల్ తోటి ఓవర్లాప్ అయ్యి ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి 3 sigma sp2 p bonds are given. 3 sigma sp2 p bonds are given here. Now here it will be write as so this is sp2 hybrid orbital and each hybrid orbital are having one electron. So these electron will be overlap with the pz orbital of chlorine atom. So hybrid orbitals will be give only sigma bond. So here chlorine central atom is boron and another one is paired up with the fluorine to form sigma bond. Okay. So in the sigma bonds form ayini manaki 1 2 3 sigma bonds are formed. 3 sigma sp2 p bonds are formed. Okay. Now it will be write as this is trigonal planar shape of molecule. Trigonal planar and next bond angle 120 degrees. Bond angle is 120 degrees. Okay. So this is about sp2 hybridization. Okay. And next sp3 hybridization. So sp2 hybridization మనకి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇంకొకటి కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు ఇథిలీన్ మాలిక్యూల్. ఓకే. sp hybridization ki acetylene molecule. So these acetylene molecule will have 180 degrees bond angle and linear shape. At the the same time beryllium chloride also. And sp2 hybridization boron trichloride, and another one is ethylene molecule. Ethylene molecule. So that will be also having double bond and trigonal planar structure 120 degrees bond angle. So sp3 hybridization means intermixing of equal energy level of one s orbital, 3 p orbitals are combined to give 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. Is called sp3 hybridization. Okay, so orbital 3 p orbitals కలిసి 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals ఇస్తుంది. So in sp3 hybridization lo s character is 25%, p character is 75%. Okay, example of sp3 hybridization is methane and ammonia also exists sp3 hybridization. So in methane central atom is carbon, atomic number of carbon is 6. So it will be undergoes to 1s2 2s2 2p2 electron configuration. This is ground state. In first excited state it will be undergoes sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 1s orbital 3p orbitals combined అయ్యి మనకి 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals ఇస్తుంది. Okay, and each hybrid orbitals having one electron, equal energy level of hybrid orbitals. So hybrid orbitals అన్ని pair bonds form అయితే మనకి sigma bond ని మాత్రమే ఇస్తాయి. Okay, so these 4 hybrid orbitals are overlapped with 1s electron of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen electron configuration is 1s1. So s orbital is involved in this reaction. So these 4 hybrid orbitals are overlapped with 1s electron of hydrogen atom to form 4 sigma sp3 s bonds. 4 sigma sp3 s bonds will be given. Okay, now it will be write as each hybrid orbital having one electron, and e electron దేంతో pair up అవుతుంది, hydrogen 1s electron of 1s orbital of hydrogen atom తో overlap అవుతుంది, and these all are sigma bonds. Middle atom is carbon. So how many sigma bonds are? 1 2 3 4. So 4 sigma sp3 s bonds are given, and the molecular structure is tetrahedral shape. Molecular structure is tetrahedral shape. Shape of molecule is tetrahedral. And bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. So this is about sp3 hybridization. Okay, right. Thank you, ma'am.